Don't make slide like this ever again. Try this instead.
Go to Shapes and insert Rectangle. Change its width to adjust it in the slide. Make 3 copies of the rectangle. Select all and give them no outline. Give them all a shade of green. Then insert your content. Insert a small triangle. Arrange it like this. Now give this triangle a no outline. Make 2 copies of triangle. Give these triangles the same color. Group each part together like this. Now duplicate the slide and arrange them like this. Give background a beautiful color. Now go to Transition and add Morph Transition.